Hello everyone, welcome back to our living well. So now this afternoon, I'm going to make a stir-fry vegetable. The first, tofu. The second, cauliflower. And then broccoli. And then carrots, sweet peas, pepper. And then we have also onions. We have ginger. We have soy sauce. And then we have also salt. We have also sugar. We have seasoning. And then we have also cornstarch with water. And then oil. Now, I am going to start for the stir-fry vegetable. Okay. First, a little oil. I'm using coconut oil because according to the book that coconut oil is better. And then I'll put garlic. Keep on stirring. Nice, already simmer. Then I put onions. Keep on stirring. Then stirring a little bit until it become like sizzling. And then put tofu. I'm gonna put tofu. And then after this, I'm gonna put cauliflower. Cauliflower a little bit. And then keep on stirring. And then put a little bit carrot. And then put a little bit water so that the vegetable will come cook. And then sugar snappies. Look at now the beautiful the stir fry is really good. Stir fry vegetable. Now if you can see the consistency and the color still the same, you know. Do not overcook the vegetable. Then I'm gonna put pepper. See now, it's become a simmer a little bit. More water. Well, the water is not put a lot because it become like soupy already. So a little bit soy sauce. Come boiling a little bit, and then we're gonna put seasoning. seasoning is an optional. You know, this one is a mushroom seasoning. You can put mushroom seasoning or not. It's a seasonal, so it's up to you to put mushroom seasoning. But for me, I will put mushroom seasoning. Yeah, over here. And then I'll put later cornstarch. Okay. Okay, now it's almost down. The all vegetables should be blanched, okay? And then this broccoli. You can see the consistency of the vegetable, the color still there, okay? I don't want leftover, or I don't want overcook, because overcook is not nice to see, okay? Now I'm gonna put cornstarch. Like this. Okay, so beautiful. See? Okay. Now, here we go. This is the result of our stir-fry vegetable. Hello everyone, welcome back again to our cooking demo. And then, now I am going to cook a sweet and sour tofu. This is the tofu. This is onions. This is pepper. This is pineapple. And this is the sauce. Now I'm going to tell you about the sauce inside there. Is with soy sauce. This is the sauce. This is a ketchup. And there is also a little bit of water. And then a little sour, a little bit of salt. And this is the result of sweet and sour sauce. Okay? Now, I will saute. I will put oil. Still the same. The procedure is still the same. But the difference is the ingredients. Still, I put oil. And then, I'm going to put garlic. Still the same. Garlic. Because the aroma of the garlic will come out and mix into the vegetable, mix into the tofu. The result is so good. And then onions, the same. You know, if you're gonna cook in the home, this is so easy. That's why I'm telling you, this one is so easy to me, because then I will put tofu. See? And then I'll put pepper. And then I'm gonna put the sauce, the one that I told you before. This is sauce. See? And keep boiling. Now, the pineapple I'm gonna put in the last one, because the pineapple is already prepared. The pineapple is from the can. So in the sauce, I put also the water from the pineapple. I put also in the in the sauce also to put in there. And then keep on boiling. I'm gonna wait for that until become boiled a little bit. We'll wait for that. And then I'm gonna put seasoning. this. Then I'm gonna put pineapple. This is what we call sweet and sour vegetable, tofu. This is the big advantage of vegetarian people. This is good because we made tofu. Instead of chicken, tofu is the best. Okay, I'm gonna move over here. Okay. Now here we go. This is a sweet and sour tofu vegetable. All right. Hello everyone. Welcome back again to our cooking. And now I'm gonna make tofu with broccoli. These are the ingredients with tofu. This is broccoli, this oil, and this is garlic, this is onions, this seasoning, this soy sauce, and the last one is cornstarch. So the reason why I make cornstarch to make it good and sticky and hold it firmly. Okay, I'm gonna start now. Okay, so I'm gonna put oil. Okay, the oil is here. And that's the reason why the oil is so good, and to make it the vegetable beautiful. See? And then I'm gonna I'll put again garlic. Keep on stirring. This is the one, okay? See the aroma of the garlic come out, and it's so good. And then I put onions. Okay. And then I'm gonna put tofu. I'm gonna put soy sauce. See? Now, and then I'm gonna put a little bit water. And then seasoning. Right. Keep boiling. Okay. And then we should put the broccoli at the last time, because the broccoli is already, I soak it in hot water and then blanch it, and then after that take it out, and then I'm gonna put it here. The vegetable you should blanch always, because the consistency and the color will come out. It is better to blanch it because it's easy to cook. But if you're gonna put it here without blanch, it's too long to cook, and the tofu will it's not good anymore. See, keep boiling, and then I'm gonna put cornstarch. Okay. Broccoli. Now. Okay. I'll put a little bit water. Okay. Now, put a little bit water. This is now the result. See now the tofu and the broccoli come out. The color is still green, okay? And then I'm gonna put it here. Okay. This is now the result that I cooked today. This one is a stir-fry vegetable. This one is a sweet and sour vegetable. And broccoli tofu vegetable. And thank you so much and have a nice day and God bless you.